This is OEM. You can probably find one of these for about $85 to $100. But this one got off Amazon for $15. Another episode of BA Performance. Today we're going to show you how to change out the shift knob on your E90 series BMW. Should be the same for E90, E92, E91, E93, all of them. So we're just going to change from the one that's in my BMW to this $15 Amazon one. We'll see how it goes and let you know. Give it a rating.
We're recording.
Okay guys, so just for reference, we're going to show you the cheap shift knob versus the original. This is OEM. You can probably find one of these for about $85 to $100. But this one got off Amazon for $15. It's pretty similar. There's a little bit in width difference, color difference, but you know, we're just trying to change out the shift knob and we'll give it a shot. We'll let you know if this is any good or not. Okay, so we're gonna change out this this M Sport shift knob in here. It's seen better days. It's faded, and it honestly, I just don't like the feel of it. So
I can attest to that. It's kind of uncomfortable to drive with it.
yeah, and like when I first started driving with this, it was kind of common for my hand to kind of just want to slip off, and it's just not great. So we're gonna try and go to this cheap Amazon style here. But in theory, I haven't done it myself yet, but you just need to pull up on this. Now it's not gonna be easy. It should be on there pretty difficultly tight. So let's see here. Oh man, it's on there difficultly tight.
Oh, that wasn't as bad as I thought.
Neither, yeah, I thought that would be a lot more difficult actually. So, in theory, I don't like that.
Does it feel like it bottomed out? Oop. It looks like it's all the way on.
It's on, but
But it does not do anything. Is there something inside that other one? 'Cause there's like a slot in there.
yeah, these are designed differently.
Well, I have a thought. You just wrap some black tape around the thing and then shove it on there again. And maybe you'll get a tight enough fit.
Yeah, we can try it.
Yeah, because that's definitely going to fall off.
Okay, so we're gonna try and put some just black electrical tape on here, moving around it once. We're gonna see if that might help us here. That does not help us at all.
Do one, wrap one closer to the top there. A little better.
I mean, it's on.
What are you thinking?
Buy a real BMW shift knob.
Spend the $85.
Do it. This one doesn't feel as great. Look, it's got some play,
Oh yeah.
and we had electrical tape it on there. I'll run it for now, but
It's still kind of janky, right?
I'll run it for now because it's still kind of better than this one, and it is higher too. It's taller. Let's see how this thing feels. I mean, it doesn't feel bad. It definitely doesn't feel like your shifter though.
Right. Doesn't feel like the real deal.
I do like the length of it. That's kind of nice.
feel like you may have to come up with something better than the electrical tape to get the proper how you want it in there, you know?
Well, I think it's got a lot to do with like the notch design in the top that still makes it do this.
Oh, not fully.
It's not manufactured as properly as
Right.
yours. But, and it really, you know, honestly, this thinner nub thing here, I didn't think that would bother me. Don't like it.
Don't like it.
Don't like it. I do like it more than this one though,
Okay.
as far as grip goes. That part's nicer, but otherwise, I don't know.
So if you were to rate it on Amazon.com, how many stars would you give it? And what would you put in the review?
If I were to rate it on Amazon, I would probably give it a 2 stars. I'd give it a 3 star as far as feel goes, but the fact that it doesn't mount on there properly and I have to use electrical tape to actually keep it seated on there and prevent me from basically bang shifting in a gear and, you know, it popping off. It feels decent. If you didn't have a shift knob with the car you bought, then I would say buy it. $15, it's worth it.
If you
Definitely.
have nothing.
Right, if you have nothing. But over a stock OEM one that's 85 to 100 plus, you know, you can tell the difference. You can definitely tell the difference just in weight, feel, grip, everything else. So I would say it would be a hard pass unless you are desperate for a shift knob. So on that note, I would say make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what your favorite shift knob for a BMW is, because I know that they're kind of hard to find as far as getting ones that just mount on like this. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say, and if you have a better idea, maybe I'll get that one in the future here. So for now, have yourself a great day, and peace out. Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.